Hi Isabel,
Hi, Natasha.
what did you learn about the context?
I've learned definition, social function, lyric structure, and image feature.
And your understanding?
I've understood that a personal record is a description of an event or experience that you went through. Social function of personal context is provide information, motivate yourself, document important event in the form of diary, personal journal, and entertain the reader. The next structure of personal background is introduction, private action, climax, action, and conclusion. Language feature, there are language use of first person pronouns, use of simple past tense, use of connectors, use of adverb and adjective, use of language feature, figurative language.
Any suggestion?
The most interesting part of the personal recount because it share real life experience that we really able and meaningful.
What parts good all for you?
The most interesting part was the personal recount because it shared real life experience that were relatable and meaningful.
Any suggestion?
They are good at delivering the material, but they don't understand what is being conveyed, and their response is late.
Now about group 2, recount on experience. What did you learn from their presentation?
I have learned definition, experience, social function, behavior, and general structure.
What have you understood about the context and how it connects to personal experience?
I have understood that experience is knowledge or skill obtained through direct involvement or expressed through a particular event, activity, or situation. Social function of the context is sharing personal experience, documenting events, providing information. Language feature, there are interface, language selection, content translation, and multilingual support. The generic structure of recounts topic consists the three main components. There are orientation, event, and reorientation.
What was the most interesting part for you during the presentation?
The most interesting part of hearing real life experience from my classmate is someone were funny, other were inspiring, and it made the presentation fun and meaningful.
Do you have any suggestion to make their presentation better?
My suggestion is it will be better if they could speak more naturally instead of just reading.
What did you learn from group 3 presentation about biography text?
I've learned definition, the function, purpose, and meaning structure, and language feature of biography.
And what have you understood about biography text from the presentation?
I've understood that a biography is a text that tells about someone's life, focusing on their achievement, contribution, and significant events. Social function of biography is to inform the audience about the life and achievement of a particular person, to inspire readers by highlighting significant events, struggles, or accomplishment in someone's life. Purpose of biography is first understand the role figures in history, second appreciate leadership values and exemplary behavior, third improve writing skills, fourth get to know the story, five cultivate inspiration and motivation. The generic structure of biography is first orientation, second events, third reorientation. Language feature of biography is first simple past tense, second action verb, third time connector, fourth specific names and day, fifth passive voice.
Which part of the presentation did you find most interesting or inspiring?
The most interesting part was knowing how to the person overcome challenge or become successful.
Do you have any suggestion that could have them present in more effectively?
My suggestion is that they should speak clearly so the audience can hear and understand the explanation more easily.
Let's talk about group 4, from their presentation?
I've learned definition, social function, general structure of itinerary.
What have you understood about itinerary text?
I've understood that itinerary is a detailed plan or schedule of a journey including of the destination to be visited, and the activities planned for each stop. The social function of itinerary is help in coordinating activities, ensuring everyone involved is aware of the schedule, and facilitates smooth travel experience by providing a clear framework for the trip. General structure is first time and sequence indicator word, second verb in simple past tense, second use of action verb.
What part of their presentation did you find the most interesting?
The itinerary part of the most interesting because I could see the activities planned for each day.
Any suggestion to help improve their delivery or content?
My suggestion is that they should speak more clearly and with better information.
You learn about asking and giving direction from group 5 presentation.
I have learned definition of asking and giving direction, formal and informal, starting phrases, direction vocabulary.
And what have you understood about how to ask and giving direction?
I have understood that asking direction is the act of requesting information of guidance about how to get a specific place or location. Giving direction in English refers to the act of providing guidance in instruction. Formal and informal, starting phrases, direction vocabulary, like turn right, turn left, go straight, go fast, it's on the right, left, on the right, and then cross from, next to, at the corner of, between, and
What's the most interesting or helpful part of you during the presentation?
the most interesting part of learning this method show how to act and giving direction quickly. It was easy to understand and use very well.
What suggestion for their presentation?
My suggestion is that they try to explain the material in their own manner and reading from the text without reading from the text.
How about group 6? What did you learn about table and schedule from their presentation?
I have learned definition, social function, and linked features.
What have you understood about how table and schedule are used in daily communication?
I have understood that a table is a structured arrangement of information often present in rows and columns. A schedule is a planned sequence of activities or events with specific times allocated for each. Social function is coordination or organization. The second is time management. The third, social interact facilitation. Like a feature of the table and schedule is time experience, action verb, location, purpose or function, and sequence.
What part of the presentation did you find the most interesting?
The most interesting part of the table and schedule because it show the plan is clear and organized way.
Any suggestion?
My suggestion for the presentation is it to look more extensive material, but so far it's really good.
Lastly, let's talk about group 7. What did you learn about making a request?
I've learned definition, social function, the structure, and the feature of request.
What have you understood about making requests?
I've understood that a request is an of asking for something to be given, done, and consistent in English. Considered in English, the social function of request refers to social role or function request communication. The general structure is salutation or opening, introduction, main request, and then reason, details, and contact information, like closing and signature. Like a feature is there are direct requests, indirect requests, formal and informal.
What part of their presentation did you find most interesting?
I found Interesting to learn polite way to make requests in English.
Do you have any suggestion?
My suggestion is that they should speak a bit slower and explain each point by one point.